How to remove my AI on Snapchat. If any day any of you are a Snapchat user and you would like to remove my AI from your very Snapchat account, but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to launch the very Snapchat application on your mobile device. For that, you can tap on Snapchat like this. After you tap on Snapchat, Snapchat will be launched on your very mobile device. Now, in order to remove my AI, what you can do is, now you can see here in my screen that my AI has not been shown. So if any day you would also like to do the same, first of all, you have to search my AI like this. And after searching my AI like this, now you have to tap on the my AI. After tapping on my AI, you have to go to the three dots on the top. After tapping on the three dots on the top, now you can see an interface like this. Now here you can go to the option of the chat and the notification settings. After tapping on the chat and the notification settings, at first you have to go to the option of P in the conversation. And when you go to the option of P in the conversation, you can see my AI on the top. Again, you have to go to the top, and again, now what you have to do is you have to tap on this and again the three dots, and then you have to go to the option of the unpin the conversation. And after that, again, you have to tap on these three dots, and then you have to go to the option of clear from the chat feed, and then go to the option of clear. Now, after you do all of these steps, my AI will be removed from your Snapchat account. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.